Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing a little bit of hair coloring today. So all you're going to need are 2 bowls. You're going to need a white conditioner, doesn't matter which one it is, just make sure that it's white so it doesn't interfere with the colors we're going to be using. We're using Sparks hair colors. We're using Starbright Silver, Silver Mist, and Totally Teal. You're going to combine the Silver Mist and the Starbright Silver in one bowl and Totally Teal in the other bowl with conditioner. I have no color in my hair currently. These are the 2 colors I came up with. So I'm going for a silver teal ombre effect, or teal on my ends. So I'm going to first start off by sectioning off my hair, and I'm going to work with the top front portion first. Now I added as much conditioner as I wanted the color to appear. I definitely could have went with less conditioner for the color to last longer, but honestly conditioner makes me feel better and like I'm not committing too much to a crazy color. So I'm only applying this to about 75% of my hair, and the ends is really where I want the teal to be. So I'm going in with the teal. Now at first I did it with no gloves. I will suggest using some gloves, or you will have some blue hands. So eventually I do find one glove that I can wear. So I'm just kind of rubbing this into the ends of my hair. I'm just picking it up with my hands. I think there's a better way of doing this so that you can evenly coat your ends. I thought about it way after. But I will show you in another video what's a better way to do it, which basically I would put saran wrap in between each layer and lay down the hair to paint the ends, just to make sure that I get an even coat of whatever color I'm putting on the ends, or to create the ombre effect. It is fun. The more conditioner you add, it will wash out quicker though, but it is fun if you just want a fun color and you don't want too much of the commitment of having to have that color for way too long. So the more conditioner you add, the less it will really stay, I suppose. I'm going in with my Fiber Fix Bond Connector shampoo and conditioner. I swear it leaves my hair feeling so soft and amazing. So as you can see, we have this bomb silver to teal color. I don't know about you guys, but I love hair colors when it's wet. It just looks so amazing when the hair is wet. It looks good dry too, but it's something about the intensity. So this is the final result. This is styled. So I just love the silver. I'm obsessed with mixing the Starbright Silver and the Silver Mist. It gave me a perfect silver color, and the teal is just a beautiful pop. And it's not like too overwhelming. I'm sure if I did use less conditioner, it would be more powerful, which is what I'm planning to do. But thank you guys so much for watching, and if you try this out, don't forget to tag me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.